Removing a system board assembly. Before replacing the components now shown on screen, check the heatsink type of the system to be serviced. If it is a liquid-assisted cooling module, you will need a module handle. Remove the top cover. Disconnect all the cables from the system board assembly. Pull out the power supplies slightly. Ensure that they are disconnected from the system board assembly. Hold the lift handle and lift the release pin at the same time, and then slide the system board assembly towards the front of the server. Lift the system board assembly out of the chassis. Remove the screws that secure the system I/O board. Lift and hold the release pin and slide the system I/O board towards the rear to disengage it from the processor board.